Hello and welcome to Computing Kids Java 1. My name is Cameron. This is the first lesson, and today we're going to take a look at how to install and set up our Greenfoot project and write our first line of code. So, if you are installing Greenfoot on a computer that does not have it already, what you're going to have to do is go to your web browser of choice, navigate to www.greenfoot.org, and you will end up at a screen that looks something like this. Now, Greenfoot is very cross-platform, so if you're on a Mac, you can download this file right here and run it, and if you're on Windows, you can download this file right here. I'm on Windows, so I'll do a little demonstration of how that works. So you're just going to click on this. It's going to give you a message box that looks like this. I'm going to hit Save File, and then we wait for it to download. Depending on your internet speed, this might take anywhere from about 30 seconds to several minutes, depending. So I will pause the recording until it's done downloading here. Okay, so our Greenfoot executable is done downloading, so then we're going to click on it, and it might give you a pop-up that looks like this, where it says Greenfoot Windows is an executable file. Executable files may contain viruses, blah 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 blah. I can assure you Greenfoot is not a virus, so you are okay to open it. So you're just going to hit OK, and then you will end up seeing a screen that looks something like this. Now, since I already have Greenfoot installed on my computer, mine is going to look a little different. See, I won't actually install it in this video, but the installation process is quite straightforward. You're just going to keep hitting next, and eventually you will have it installed. So, now that we have Greenfoot installed, we can open it up and take a look. So, I'll open up Greenfoot right now. And what you should see, so I'm in a scenario right now. What you should see is something that looks like this. Now, you might not have any of this yet, because the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go up here to the top left, click Scenario. You're going to hit New Java Scenario. Now, this is very important. It's very important that we do not hit this one, because this is a completely different module that we will not be working with in this course. So you're going to have to hit New Java Scenario. You can name it whatever you like, and then it should default to whatever location Greenfoot is installed to. So then you're going to hit OK, and it will open up a new window, and it will look something like this. So, a quick overview of Greenfoot. So, Greenfoot basically has the concept of a world, or a stage. That's this white part right here, and a concept of actors. These are going to be things like characters or enemies or collectibles that we create ourselves and add to the world. So all we're going to be doing in this particular lesson is we're going to be creating a new actor, and we're going to add that actor to the world. So the thing we need to do in order to create a new actor is to right-click on this actor class right here, click New Subclass, and you're going to end up seeing a menu that looks something like this. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to give your new actor, or it'll say new class right here, you're going to have to give your actor a name. Let's just say I'll name mine Elephant, and I name it Elephant because there are lots of sprites you can choose from, and I believe there is an elephant somewhere in here, right here. And then once you've chosen your image for your actor, you can click OK, and your actor will appear in this diagram right here. So that's all we need to do to create an actor, but you might notice that the actor is not yet in the world. In order to add the actor to the world, you're going to right-click on My World and click Open Editor. And this will bring us to the place where we write our code. So if you've never worked with Java before, this might look a little intimidating, but we're only going to add one new line to our code today. One new line. And this is what that line is going to look like. So what we're going to write is this. We're going to write actor. I'm going to call my actor elephant equals new, and right here we're going to write the name of whatever actor class we just made. So you see I named mine elephant with a capital E, so I'm going to say new elephant, 2 parentheses and a semicolon. And we have to remember that every line of code in Java needs to end in a semicolon right here. So if you named yours cat or dog, you would put whatever you named yours right here. And finally, so I guess we have 2 lines to do in order to get our actor on the screen. We're going to do one more line of code to have our actor appear. We're going to type super.addObject elephant, and this is going to be whatever name we chose for our actor right here. It is not going to be this. It's going to be this right here. And then we're going to choose, let's say, 300, 200, a location for our actor. And don't worry if this is a little confusing. We will get into all of this in later videos. And then another semicolon. And then whenever we want to run our Java code or save it, we're going to go up here to the top left and hit compile. And it should say, if we did everything correctly, class compiled, no syntax errors. And then when we come back to our stage, we can see that our actor has appeared on the screen.